Good morning, students. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I hope you all are enjoying this chapter because we are visiting Delhi. We are going around Delhi. We have gone through government buildings, Mughal monuments, and now today we are going to study about the temples which are located in New Delhi and the places of homage. Places of homage means places where these great personalities have been buried, and that is the place of their honor. Okay, resting place. We can say the resting place of great people. So, first, the temple which we are going to study is the Lakshmi Narayan temple. Yes, there are many beautiful temples in New Delhi. They can be Lakshmi Narayan temple, Akshardham, Bai Lotus temple in Delhi. And these are the examples of modern architecture. In the last classes, we have seen about the British architect, Mughal architect. Yes. Now, today we are going to study about the modern architect. So, the first temple is Lakshmi Narayan temple. Yes, Lakshmi Narayan temple is also called as the Birla Mandir. And this Birla Mandir or the Lakshmi Narayan temple was constructed by the Birla family, Birla group of members. Birla temple is an open to all castes and all faiths. Yes, there is no restriction, no caste based. Here, everyone is free. There is entrance for everyone. Yes, Birla temple is open to all castes and all faiths. This temple is dedicated to all humanity. Everyone could come and visit this temple. Okay, there is no foundation or restriction of any caste, creed, religion, anything. Birla Mandir was completed in 6 years and inaugurated by Mahatma Gandhi. So it is old. Yes, means after the British rule it was constructed and it was inaugurated by our Honorable Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was called as the father of nation. He fought non-violently against the British to get the freedom. Clear? So this was about the Lakshmi Narayan temple. The next temple which we are going to study is Lotus Temple. The Bai temple is also called as the Lotus Temple. It is situated in South Delhi. It is shaped like lotus. You can see in the screen soon. Students, it is shaped like lotus and it is located in South Delhi. It is shaped like lotus. It has been built by the Bai community as the Birla Mandir or the Lakshmi Narayan temple was built by Birla group of members or Birla family. Same way, the Lotus temple has been built by Bai community and is shaped like lotus. That's why it is called as Lotus Temple. Okay, so these were about the temples. Now we move to the places of homage, means resting place of great peoples. The first place which we are going to study is Rajghat. Rajghat. Rajghat is on the bank of the legendary river Yamuna, which flows past Delhi. So, which flows past Delhi, and the Rajghat is on the bank of river Yamuna. And you all know the Rajghat is the resting place of Mahatma Gandhi. The memorial stone of Gandhi is square in shape and made up of black stone. So it is explaining about the construction of the Rajghat. It is a square in shape and made up of black stone. And his last words, Hey Ram, are inscribed on it. And Hey Ram, the last words. Hey Ram are the last word of Mahatma Gandhi. And these were engraved on this square shaped metal stone. Clear students, so we should all pay the homage or honor to this Rajghat. The next resting place which we will be studying is Santivan. Santivan is the place where India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru was cremated. Yes. Mahatma Gandhi was known as Father of Nation, is known as, and Pandit Jawaharlal is the first Prime Minister of India, and he was cremated at Santivan. A tombstone has been erected at his funeral place. So, a tombstone has been erected at his funeral place. There is a beautiful park also. So, there is a beautiful park around his Santivan. So, this was about the Santivan. Santivan is the cremation place of Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Now, the next which we are going to study is about the Vijay Ghat. Vijay Ghat is the tomb of India's second Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. Clear? So, Santivan is the cremating place for Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, first Prime Minister. Vijay Ghat is the place for Prime Minister, third Prime Minister, second Prime Minister, that is Lal Bahadur Shastri. In 1966, his last rites was performed here. Jagdeep takes Sam for shopping Chandni Chowk. Delhi Hazrathuj Khas Pragati Maidan. Let us see what they bought. Both cheese, Zardozi work that is embroidered, the golden treated thread, and jewelry with the minakari and art of enameling. So it is not only famous for this, but their embroidery and jewelry work, handmade work. Clear students? So Vijay Ghat is the homage place of Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri. Clear students? So this was all about the going around Delhi. I hope it is all clear to you. Which are the places of homage? The places of homage are Rajgarh, Santivan, Vijay Ghat. Okay. And there are also other places, as Chandni Chowk is Asia's largest wholesale market. Jantar Mantar is in the 18th century astronomical observatory. So students, I hope you all have enjoyed about going around Delhi. So here I complete the